your cross-strap buckle carrier. If it doesn't have a structured waistband, place it on the hip you want to carry your baby, apron style, and clip together, tighten evenly. Get your baby, place them in an M position on the carrier. Holding onto them with one hand, lift the panel of the carrier up over their back. Take the first strap over your shoulder, pull down and then across and buckle together and tighten evenly. Next, take the strap closest to your armpit, place it under your armpit and across your back, and clip the buckle together on that side and tighten evenly. Raise the waistband if needed so that the carrier comes up to baby's neck. They can be arms out if they have good head and neck control. To take them out, hold on to baby, unclip each buckle, holding on to their back, fold the carrier down and lift them out.